Hello and welcome. Claude does have an API portal, and there are several elements in this portal where you can connect different applications to Claude as well as to test different elements. When you first arrive to the landing page, you're going to notice that Claude allows you to claim $5 in free credit. Now, one thing you want to note about this is that this does not always work. As of the recording of this video, there are a number of individuals when they reach this stage that will be unable to verify their phone, and there is no fix, nor does support seek to remedy the issue. And it could mean that you may get a message saying that your phone number is already in use. And again, as of the recording of this video, there is no fix for this problem inside of Claude. If you have a phone number connected to your account, again, as of the recording of this video, there's no way to change the number associated with your account. And if you receive a message stating that your phone number is already in use, what Claude says is you will have to use a different phone number. So it's quite possible that you may arrive at this page wanting to test out the module. However, you will not be able to claim the free credit. That means then, in order to go forward with this part of the process, it will require that you go forward to set up an account. Now, in order to sign up, you will be asked questions by a wizard. You'll then need to click continue. So we have now set up a paid plan, which is pay as you go, in order to demonstrate the process of understanding the API. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video.